Hey, this is Adventure Dog doing my recap, and I'm in a live trade. I'm going to start this recap and end this recap with the same thing. Huge shout out to Robert H., a moderator from our chat room, also known as Robert H. the Great. This is his trade. I mean, it's his setup, and I executed the trade, so thank you, man. All right, so here it is, the Robert H. the Great reversal. What exactly is that? Let's look. I've got this on a note card right in front of my desk that I read every single day. I go over these setups to get them in my head. All right. So first, we need to, on the 1 minute, we need the 50 MA to cross the 9 and 20 and the price action to be above all 3 MAs. All right. Right there. That was my entry. Okay. I got the entry that I wanted. So what else did I see? 5 minute bullish candle and a higher high with the break of a previous 5 minute. All right. So right here we had a bullish candle and we broke it. So that qualified on the 5 minute. 15 minute, no new low, new 15-minute high off a reversal looking candle. All right, so let me move that one over there. So, right, we've got the reversal looking candle here and a break and a new high, okay? And then the bonuses, price action extended from VWAP. You know, that's a good 25 cents or so from VWAP. That's decent for this stock. And then this is a very important one that I added for myself. It needs to occur at some sort of daily level or an MA support or resistance. And this was key for this trade. I saw the 60-minute and I saw this 50 MA and it was showing as support. It did break through here, but look at this. Someone was buying it back up. And a little break of a wick is not a break of an MA. It needs to open and close below it, all right? So I had my high, had my support. Everything lined up. And then I executed. And then you know what I did next? I had to leave. I had to go hike with some dogs. And I thought to myself, this is the type of trade that I want to let run. This is the trade where I got in at 26.86. My stop was 26.79, which was below all three of these MAs. So I'm risking, what, 7-8 cents or so? I'm thinking I always get out too early on my winning trades. Always. I always exit early. This is a trade where the 1, the 5, the 15, the 60-minute all line up. This is a trade that I don't want to overanalyze. I don't want to let my emotions get the best of me. So I put in an automatic stop at 26.79 and I decided not to put an automatic sell and I left. I just left the house and be like, I'm letting this thing run up. That's what I'm doing. And then I got back and looky here. Oh shoot. It just broke through some resistance at the top. Oh no, did it bounce off? Yeah, it's bouncing off of it. But look at that, JD 60-minute, that's what we want. So I did something I've never done. I decided not to scale out. I decided just to leave the house. And look what happened, guys. I didn't overanalyze. I didn't try to read into it. I let my winning trade actually ride. I got an amazing risk reward. So, ending the video like with what I said. Robert H. the Great, thank you, man. I know I traded it and you didn't do anything in your head, but you taught us a really great setup with really great indicators and confirmations with high probability of winning and a huge winning potential. So, take some credit where credit is due, man. Thank you. Hope everyone else had a great day.